Here I have KRUGER and Matz Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, date and time. To set your date and time manually, you have to select you have to disable automatic date and time option here, and here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone if you disable this feature, automatic time zone. First you have to select your region, then you can select your time zone, and you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.